Welcome to another episode in our affiliate marketing tutorial series. Want to rank higher on Google and stay there long term? Let's talk about a powerful but often overlooked strategy, topical authority. How to build topical authority for long-term SEO. Google favors websites that are seen as experts in a particular subject. That's where topical authority comes in, becoming the go-to source in your niche. Here's how to build it. Start with a clear niche. Focus on a specific area, e.g. camping gear, home coffee setups, or pet grooming. Avoid going too broad too soon. Internal linking, connect all related content. This tells search engines that you've got depth and coverage on the topic. Update regularly, keep your key articles fresh. Updated content signals relevance and reliability to search engines. Why this works? When your site fully covers a topic, Google trusts you more. That trust accrues higher rankings, more traffic, and better conversion potential. Want a step-by-step system? Head over to website.fm. It walks you through choosing topics, creating content, and building a profitable affiliate site from scratch. Link in description box below. If you found this helpful, hit like, follow for more affiliate marketing tips, and I'll catch you in the next video.